Have you ever wondered how starchy cassava roots became an important food source worldwide? Each year, the world harvests more than 300 million tons of cassava, of which Nigeria is the country that grows the most, accounting for about 20% of total global production. But how is cassava grown, cared for, harvested, and processed into familiar products? Now let's find out the answer. Cassava thrives in tropical climates, is well adapted to well-drained soils, and can withstand prolonged drought. The cassava growing process begins with soil preparation, in which the soil is loosened to facilitate root growth and efficient nutrient absorption. To avoid waterlogging, farmers often create raised beds or trenches, which improve drainage and create an optimal environment for root expansion. After preparing the land, the next step is to select the seeds. Healthy, pest-free cuttings are taken from mature cassava plants about 10-12 months old. These cuttings are 20-25 cm long, cut from the stem, and retain the buds to ensure the ability to sprout. When planting, farmers can place the cuttings vertically, tilted, or horizontally at appropriate distances for the best growth of the plant. Cassava planting time usually takes place at the beginning of the rainy season to ensure enough moisture for the seedlings to grow. In some areas, cassava planting is supported by planting machines, which help reduce labor costs. The machine automatically places cassava stem cuttings into furrows at the appropriate spacing and depth, while farmers continuously supply cuttings to maintain smooth operation. Thanks to automation, cassava planters not only increase productivity, but also significantly reduce manual labor. Some modern versions are equipped with an automatic fertilization system, providing nutrients from the start and optimizing cultivation efficiency. Although cassava is drought tolerant, it still requires adequate moisture to produce high yields. Timely irrigation helps the roots develop well, creating the foundation for tuber formation. In arid or low rainfall areas, drip or sprinkler irrigation provides water efficiently without causing waterlogging. This allows the cassava tubers to develop fully, avoiding hardening or stunting due to lack of water during the critical stage. Provided with the necessary nutrients, cassava plants grow quickly and, when mature, can reach 1.5 to 4 meters in height. The stem is straight with few or many branches depending on the variety and has distinctive palmate leaves. Throughout its growth cycle, the plant develops a strong root system, forming starch-rich tubers of high economic value, which are harvested at full maturity. The timing of cassava harvest plays a decisive role in the starch content and overall quality of the root. Typically, cassava reaches maturity when it is 8 to 12 months old. Signs that cassava is ready to harvest include the leaves starting to turn yellow and fall off, leaving only a few leaves at the top of the plant. If left longer, the quality of the cassava root may decline, losing its nutritional value. Harvesting is mostly done by hand. Farmers pull the plants out of the ground by hand, then carefully dig out the roots with a knife or hoe. For added convenience, they often cut off the stem before pulling it out, making it easier to remove the roots from the hard, dry soil. When the tubers are deep or firmly attached, farmers need to dig around them with a hoe, being careful not to break them, as damaged tubers are difficult to preserve and will rot quickly. In large-scale farming areas, farmers use cassava diggers to improve harvesting efficiency. The machine digs into the soil and lifts cassava tubers to the surface, allowing for quick collection with minimal damage. Some models feature plow blades or vibration systems to enhance tuber separation. Harvesting efficiency ranges from 0.2 to 0.6 hectares per hour, depending on tuber depth, soil conditions, and machine design. Compared to manual harvesting, using machinery saves time and reduces losses from missed or broken tubers. After harvesting, cassava is transported immediately to the factory for processing, ensuring the best quality is maintained. The first process is washing and sorting by size. Then the cassava is processed to create a variety of products for consumer and industrial needs. And one of the most important products is cassava flour, which is produced through peeling, washing, grinding, and careful drying to maintain quality. The ground flour then goes through a process of dewatering, fermentation to reduce the cyanogenic content, and drying, before being ground into a high quality fine powder suitable for many applications in food and industry. Cassava flour is a popular ingredient in many cuisines and also serves as a gluten-free alternative in baking and pastry making. Another product derived from cassava is tapioca starch, which is extracted during processing. This starch is soaked, kneaded thoroughly, and filtered to create small tapioca pearls, commonly used in various desserts and beverages. And that's it for today's video. Hey, what do you think? Share your thoughts and experiences about cassava in the comments section below. Your contributions will help us better understand and appreciate the value of this wonderful crop. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any more exciting content. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore how bamboo is grown, harvested, and processed into a variety of useful products. With its countless applications, bamboo has become an essential resource in many industries, from construction and handicrafts to food and beverages. Although it resembles a tree, bamboo is actually a giant grass, and its rapid growth rate has made it one of the most sustainable resources on Earth. Before diving into its diverse applications, let's first look at the fascinating cultivation process of this extraordinary plant. Bamboo can be propagated using various methods, each designed to ensure the optimal growth of this resilient plant. The first method is seed propagation. Bamboo seeds are sown in shallow beds of humus-rich soil where they are nurtured until they germinate. Once the seedlings have grown, they are transferred to larger areas to develop more robustly. Although effective, this method is usually employed in controlled environments where the seeds have a higher chance of growing into healthy bamboo plants. Another way to propagate bamboo is through cuttings, a technique where sections of mature bamboo stems or branches are cut and directly planted into the ground. Thanks to bamboo's strong regenerative ability, each carefully tended cutting can grow into a new plant. This method not only allows for quick bamboo propagation, but also maximizes the use of mother plants, helping to reduce cultivation costs. Nowadays, aside from traditional methods, bamboo can also be propagated through tissue culture, an advanced technique where bamboo cells are cultivated in a laboratory setting. This method is especially efficient for large-scale bamboo planting as it ensures uniform growth and high stability in the young plants. After successful propagation, the seedlings are nurtured for about 1 to 2 years before being moved to the natural environment. With proper care, bamboo will thrive and reach maturity in around 4 years. One of the most astounding features of bamboo is its rapid growth rate. Known as the fastest growing plant in the world, bamboo shoots can grow up to 50 cm per day under ideal conditions. Once the shoots have reached an adequate size, they are ready for harvest. Farmers select mature bamboo stems for harvesting. The process begins by cutting the bamboo at its base, ensuring that the roots remain intact so that new shoots can continue to grow from the same plant. After being cut, the bamboo is soaked in water for a period to remove impurities and increase its durability. Bamboo harvesting is an environmentally friendly process as the plant's fast growth ensures quick regeneration. Moreover, bamboo groves have a minimal environmental footprint, making bamboo an excellent sustainable resource for many industries. After being harvested, bamboo undergoes a series of processing steps to transform it into various useful products. First, bamboo is typically soaked in water to remove impurities and increase the durability of the material.
Or for the selection, cutting, and processing of bamboo for export.
This soaking process helps eliminate sugars and organic matter, preventing attacks by termites and insects. The bamboo is then processed with specialized equipment where it is cut into thin strips and refined according to requirements, producing a wide range of diverse products. Let's first explore how high-equal panels are made. To produce bamboo plywood used in construction, bamboo stalks are split into thin strips, then undergo a drying process to remove moisture, ensuring the product's durability.
Semba has developed a skim-lined bamboo slats.
These bamboo strips are then glued together under high pressure, forming sturdy, sustainable boards suitable for flooring, interior design, and wall paneling. Compared to traditional wood, bamboo panels offer several superior advantages. First, bamboo is a rapidly renewable resource that can grow and be harvested within a few years, while conventional trees take decades to mature. Additionally, bamboo panels are highly durable, strong, and naturally resistant to termites, making them an environmentally friendly and sustainable choice for modern construction projects. Bamboo is also a common material for everyday items such as skewers. The production process begins with selecting and cutting fresh bamboo stalks, which are then split, shaved, and processed into uniform bamboo strips. These strips go through surface treatment, drying, and trimming to achieve standard sizes. Finally, the products undergo rigorous quality control before being packaged and distributed to consumers. Each step is meticulously carried out to ensure that the skewers meet high standards of quality and hygiene for users. Bamboo straws are gaining popularity as an eco-friendly alternative to plastic straws. The process starts with selecting bamboo stalks 7 to 13 mm in diameter and 2 to 3 years old, usually the Mozo variety, for its durability and fast regeneration. After cutting, the bamboo is cleaned, polished, and hollowed to create the straws. The product retains its natural bamboo scent, smooth texture, and yellow hue, significantly reducing plastic waste and protecting the environment. Thus, from the initial stages of planting and harvesting to the processing phase, bamboo has proven its vital role in various fields. Not only is it an environmentally friendly resource, but bamboo also provides useful products that serve daily life. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the development and applications of bamboo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on more exciting videos about natural resources and sustainable production processes. See you in the next video.